National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Sheboygan County in east-central Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plymouth, moving east at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, Howards Grove, Kohler, Haven, and Johnsonville. For your protection, move. National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Port Washington, Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located near Cleveland, or near Sheboygan, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, east-central Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Theresa, or 7 miles southeast of Mayville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Bend, Jackson, Slinger, Kewaskum, Theresa, Newburgh, Addison, Woodland, Wayne, Neno, Fillmore, Boltonville, Alenton, Keowns, Nabob, St. Lawrence, and Colesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.